everybody, my name is Wendy Sigala with Sigala Designs, and today we're doing an install on the 5VM OEM style carbon fiber front splitter. On a previous video, I showed you how to install the Z51 carbon fiber front splitter. Now I went back to the OEM plastic piece so I can show you how easy it is to go from the Z51 to the 5VM front splitter. Our 5VM front splitter comes in carbon fiber, dry carbon, which is a matte finish, carbon flash, and any of the 12 factory colors. Now to do the install, all we have to do is remove the Z51 front splitter. It has 21 torque screws, and we will reuse those to install our 5VM front splitter. On a previous video, I used the screwdriver to take off the Z51 front splitter, but now I've upgraded. So all you need is a cordless drill and a T15 torque bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the last one off, and with this cordless drill, it made it way easier for me to do the job. It actually cut my time in half. There we have it. So here you have the difference between the Z51 front splitter and the 5VM OEM style. So I'm gonna start with the first screw right in the middle, and then I'm gonna work my way down on each side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten each one with the drill. Here you have the finished product. It's a pretty easy install. It only took me like 15 minutes. We're gonna take pictures of the car for you to see how it looks. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next one. And if you want to see more installs and more videos, please make sure to